Today I am reviewing Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 2024 is one of the most impressive tablets in its range, offering a powerful mix of performance, style, and affordability. Samsung has crafted this device to be not just a tool for entertainment, but a productivity companion that caters to students, professionals, creatives, and casual users alike. With its sleek Oxford gray finish and slim, lightweight design, it feels premium in the hand while being portable enough to take anywhere, making it perfect for daily use. At its core, the Tab S6 Lite features a vibrant 10.4-inch LCD display with a sharp resolution of 2000 by 1200 pixels. This screen offers bright, vivid colors and excellent clarity, which makes everything from reading and note-taking to streaming and gaming a delight. Whether you're watching movies, editing documents, or browsing the web, the display delivers immersive visuals. Complementing this is Dolby Atmos surround sound, which transforms the audio experience. Movies feel cinematic, music feels rich, and games sound immersive thanks to the crisp, detailed audio and deep bass response. Under the hood, Samsung equips the Tab S6 Lite with the Exynos 1280 processor, capable of speeds up to 2.4 GHz. This processor delivers smooth performance for multitasking, streaming, browsing, and light gaming. Coupled with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, the tablet ensures apps run smoothly without lag. Storage can be expanded via a microSD card, giving users flexibility to store photos, videos, and documents. For those who want a tablet that lasts all day, the battery life is impressive, offering up to 14 hours of use on a single charge. This means you can work, study, or enjoy entertainment without worrying about running out of power. One of the most defining features of the Tab S6 Lite is the included S Pen. Unlike many styluses, the S Pen delivers a natural writing experience that feels incredibly responsive and precise. It's perfect for taking notes, sketching ideas, annotating documents, or editing photos. For students, it's ideal for jotting down lecture notes. For professionals, it offers the precision to edit documents and design projects with ease. The pen doesn't need charging, and it attaches magnetically to the tablet, making it convenient to carry and use. This feature alone makes the Tab S6 Lite stand out in its category, adding value that is rare at this price point. The tablet also supports Samsung DeX, which turns the Tab S6 Lite into a productivity powerhouse. This feature allows you to open multiple windows, work with desktop-style layouts, and manage tasks more efficiently. Combined with its compatibility with external keyboards, it can become a portable workstation for writing, editing, and creative work on the go. Connectivity options are another strong point. The tablet supports fast Wi-Fi connections, Bluetooth pairing for accessories, and USB-C for charging and data transfer. The microSD slot lets you expand storage, which is essential for users who store large amounts of content. Whether it's connecting headphones for immersive sound or linking a keyboard for productivity, the Tab S6 Lite offers versatility to match different lifestyles. From a design perspective, Samsung has made the Tab S6 Lite sleek, lightweight, and easy to carry. Its slim profile makes it comfortable to hold during long sessions, and the matte finish provides a premium feel. It is a device built not just for performance but also for everyday usability. Whether you're a student looking for a reliable study companion, a professional needing a portable creative tool, or someone who simply wants a high-quality entertainment device, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 2024 delivers. It combines a sharp display, strong performance, long battery life, and the added power of the S Pen in a stylish, compact package. Samsung has crafted a tablet that is not just about function but also about enhancing the way you work, learn, and enjoy content. In short, the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 2024 proves that premium features do not always require a premium price. It offers everything you need in a modern tablet: exceptional display quality, immersive sound, reliable performance, versatile connectivity, and a productivity-enhancing stylus, all wrapped in a sleek and portable design. For anyone seeking a powerful yet affordable tablet, the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 2024 is an excellent choice that delivers both creativity and convenience without compromise.